Hi everyone, I'm Paolo from MillionDC and this is your weekly roundup on Bitcoin. So let's jump on the prices. It's now below 7,000 US dollars, which it's not a good news for short-term investors, but for long-term investors, I think many of us are looking at this as very stable and it's still a good opportunity to buy Bitcoin. I want to talk about a recent discussion I had with Sean King, who is the chair of Cryptocurrency and Fintech Policy working group for Taiwan Congressman Jason Hsu, currently drafting some policy recommendations on how to properly regulate cryptocurrencies here in Taiwan. And there are 2 points that to treat cryptocurrency as a virtual commodity instead of a currency. And the other one is having a self-regulatory organizations. So from the policy makers standpoint, there is a clear need to regulate cryptocurrencies, and I'm hoping that it could get implemented. And as Sean told me, at least the self-regulatory organization may happen soon, at least here in Taiwan. I also think that these two recommendations are well fitting for other governments abroad. For the general public, I think we should treat cryptocurrencies as an asset instead of currency, because I think based on Sean, to treat it as a to treat it as a virtual commodity, I think this doesn't sound sexy to many investors because it may not have like that much of a value. But for us, if we treat it as an asset, let's say like real estate asset, at least we can see that prices have a tendency to go up as opposed to treating it like a mileage from our airline purchases. Airline flight purchases. So we also need to push for a self-regulatory organization because it could well protect the cryptocurrency players. So my last note is to answer the question, when is Bitcoin prices? So my last note is to answer when is Bitcoin price going to go back up again? And I think I've answered this a few videos ago, and my answer is it's gonna be sometime end of May, when it's gonna be going up 20,000 levels. Yes, I'm crazy and I'm also not an expert. I also want to say that in order to properly manage your Bitcoin, to take advantage of these price swings, I would say trade 20% of your Bitcoin holdings and hold 80% to yourself. That's it.